Hello and welcome, it's Julie Q. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with an acrylic pour on a 50 by, I think it was 50 by 55 or 50 by 60 canvas, and I've got all these lovely metallics that I want to play around with here. But I kind of thought that I may try a different background first, like put my background, set up my background for what I want what I want on the background. So I'm going to just give it a squirt. This is just the normal acrylic white paint that's been pre-made up with my pouring medium. They're all global colours that I'm using today. Beautiful global colours. The link is below in my description box where you can get these paints. And you can get them on my Amazon store. It doesn't cost you any more. But I may get a commission, which would be nice, hey? Anyway, on with this. I've got lots of, I'll explain the colours as I'm going along because I've custom made most of them, metallics, so I kind of, yeah, I'm going to put some of my, what I call it, champagne gold, which is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver, and it makes the most delicious champagne colour, and I really like it. So I'm going to kind of do this background on here, so this champagne gold mixes with my white. Hopefully it works out how I have it in mind. You can hear my husband just turned up. That's normal when I'm doing a pour. I might even put a little drizzle of the black in here. See how it goes. I hope this black doesn't take over, but just those colours on their own, they're super perfect. They're really lovely together anyway. But let's give this a go. That's very runny black. I think really needed what do you call it, thickening up that one, but we'll just go with the flow literally and see how this one runs out. Let me go for it. Oh, that is stunning. That would just make such a beautiful piece on its own. That is stunning. Oh my goodness, now I don't know. Those colours, oh my goodness, I wonder if I just try and blow the centre out like now in those colours, but I've gone completely off tether to how I was going to do it. I was going to do a flip cup in the center, but that has just turned out so amazing. That's gorgeous. I'm just gonna try this. If it doesn't work out, I can just push it on, I reckon. Just push it on. So now I'm sticking with those same colours because I think that is so nice. I don't know whether to just blow it out with my straw. Just give it a little bit of heat. That is so lovely. Those particular colours are so in at the moment as well. And let's see how we go. Wow. Don't really want to push that any further. Maybe if I just define some kind of leafy pattern in there, that might work better. Let's give it a go. Oh, love it, love it, love it. I probably could have blown it out a little bit more, couldn't I? Oh, I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Let me go for it. Oh, goodness. Kind of losing that defined kind of separation there unless I drag this skewer back through it, bring it back in again. Maybe in that center there I can give it just one deflated balloon kiss. Wow, oh, those colour are just beautiful. Now it kind of probably should have done a couple of them instead of doing one in the middle, but you live and learn. And my gecko's giving me the approval, tut tut tut. Oh, that's gorgeous. Like that. I think I'm going to blow just that gold a little bit further. Okay, no, I love that. That is beautiful. That black, it is a black blue. It's really given it a pop of colour. I'm going to bring you down and, oh, I've got it a bit wonky here. I'm going to bring you down and give you a close-up of it all because it is stunningly gorgeous, and this would look beaut super duper with varnish or resin. Just look at these crazy bloom effect cells and that sort of smoky, it looks like such a, I don't know, it's like a smoky misty blowout. The colours worked so well together, and just those few colours, really, just the white with my champagne gold, and then it is a black blue. Just turned out gorgeous. I'll just go round and show you the blowout. around it. It's pretty amazing how you have an idea in your head to start, and then my gecko, and then you completely go off track because you see something else happening that you think is definitely meant to be, and that is gorgeous. Those colours, it's just champagne gold and sort of that, it's turned it looking like a very petrol blue black, I suppose, mixed with the white and the gold. But I'm absolutely super duper happy with that. What do you guys think of it? Is it a yay or a nay? Something that started in my head as doing that blowout for a background, and I had full intentions of doing a just a dirty pour in the centre and tilting it, so just in a small cup. But there you go. Life has a different plan for you. That's all. Well, that is life, isn't it? Has a different plan for how you think it will go. So my lovelies, please take care of yourself and join me again tomorrow. Bye for now.